I'm Jay. I've been living and teaching American English in Japan for 15 years. I started English Life to help others with English pronunciation. In this video, I'd like to teach you about food tastes. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the notification bell to get the latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to learn how to pronounce these words. Let's give it a try. Sweet. Ice cream is sweet. Chocolate cake is sweet. I like sweet chocolate cake. Salty. Chips are salty. Pizza is salty. I like salty pizza. Bitter. Broccoli is bitter. Espresso is bitter. I love bitter espresso. Sugary. Cereal is sugary. Jelly beans are sugary. I like sugary jelly beans. Spicy. Ginger is spicy. Chili peppers are spicy. I love spicy chili peppers. Hot. Soup is hot. Meatball subs are hot. I like hot meatball subs. Sour. Grapefruits are sour. Limes are sour. I like sour limes. Tart. Fruit tarts are tart. Lemon pies are tart. I love tart lemon pies. Vinegary. Pickles are vinegary. Sauerkraut is vinegary. I like vinegary sauerkraut. How about you? What foods do you like? Leave it in the comments down below. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week on English pronunciation. You can find some of our other videos here. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. See you again real soon. Goodbye.